yung tinatawag nilang Faluda sa Juice World. So, ang galing. Ang ganda ng ambience dito. Tingnan mo. Ang lawak. Malawak siya. Tapos dito sa side, maganda yung kanyang view. Tsaka masarap yung mga pagkain dito sa Juice World. This is cute. And outside, what's the name? Please don't touch the food. Please don't touch the food. So is it open? Oh yeah, it's open. Okay. So we can see this one. These are real fruits. Wait. Those are real fruits. Look. Right. They make us what they call that one? Art from up to down. Look, it's nice how they fix. This is avocado and the orange. Nice, but not allowed to touch the fruit. So it's just like this art. Look, it's nice, right? Okay, so they just fixed this one here to have some view here in the Juice World. Okay, thank you guys for watching.